Hello and welcome to Bharata First. I'm Frank Rausen Pereira. This is FRP Explains. Over the last few weeks, the country has suffered to its core. We've seen some graphic images of people across the country desperate to get some kind of help. Our social media is also filled with it. Our WhatsApp has only two things these days: one, obituaries; the second one, desperate cries for help. People have been going from hospital to hospital just to get a bed, but that has not been possible. Our newspapers are filled with images of people grasping for breath, or for that matter, others who've been lucky to get hold of an oxygen cylinder walking around hospitals just trying to get admission with the oxygen cylinder. That has been the sorry state of affairs. The government is trying desperately to change the situation, but unfortunately, it's a little too late, and the situation on the ground isn't changing. At a time like this, the Delhi High Court has made an obnoxious request. What is the request? They have said that they want a 100-bed COVID-19 facility in a 5-star hotel. This order was passed by the SDM on the 25th of April, putting aside Ashoka Hotel in Delhi's posh Chanakyapuri as a COVID-19 facility for the Delhi High Court judges, judicial staff and their families. On Tuesday, that is the 27th of April, Delhi High Court came forward and clarified and said that it had made no such request. The Delhi government also said that this is only the media's doing and nothing of the sort has really happened. But yet, the media reported about this incident on the 25th of April with this order, which clearly suggests that such a request was indeed made for the Ashoka Hotel to be taken over by Primus Hospital to convert it into a 5-star COVID-19 facility for the judges, their families, as well as the judicial staff. All of this while the country is on its knees, suffering and crying desperately for help. My question is, why should the lives of the judges and authorities be more important than ours? A cliche, yes, but if we are pricked, don't we all bleed the same way? Then why preferential treatment only for a few? If this preferential treatment must be given, it should be given to the true COVID warriors. Of course, there are some people or some sections of society who have come forward and said that the judges are doing a noble cause, they too are frontline workers, and there's nothing wrong in such a request and providing such a facility to them. If they are indeed frontline workers, why is it then that the matters of the Delhi High Court and other courts are being held online? That's something to ponder about. If someone really needs this facility, it is the true heroes and the true COVID-19 warriors like our nurses, doctors, karamcharis, even the police, and so many others. They, I believe, deserve this kind of treatment rather than lofty authorities. Of course, there is a controversy now surrounding who actually gave this order and why this request was made. The Delhi High Court says that they didn't do it, and the government also says it had nothing to do with it. Then how did the SDM send out this order or request is anyone's guess, and your guess is as good as mine. There is one thing that is positive in all of this though. The kind of support that we've seen on the ground from Good Samaritans, the kind of traction that we've seen them get on social media, not because they want to be social media stars, but because they want to help in this grave time. It's amazing, really, and my heart is filled with warmth when I see such goodwill coming out from the common man of this country, showing we are true Bharatiyas, and if we work together, we can overcome this pandemic. That's it from me. But before I go, let me just remind you once again to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If you like the content that we are putting out here on Bharata First, do subscribe and spread the word as well. We have a UPI link for those of you who would like to come forward and contribute to keep this content alive. A small step that you take is a giant leap for us here at Bharata First. Thank you once again, and see you again next time.